Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today we're in Atlantic City on the beautiful Atlantic City boardwalk on a nice balmy winter day. We're going to check out the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I come to the Hard Rock quite often. It's right next door to the Ocean Resort and Spa, which is one of my favorite places here on the boardwalk. That and the Tropicana and the Hard Rock are my three favorite places on the boardwalk. I come here quite often, but it's been a while since I brought my camera in, so we're going to videotape inside and see what's going on. The Hard Rock, of course, used to be the Trump Taj Mahal, changed several years ago, I guess about 3 years ago by now. And as you can see, the steel pier is on the left-hand side. Not much going on there during the winter, but in the summertime, that's a really active amusement area. And one of the things I always liked about the Hard Rock is its massive rock and roll memorabilia collection that they have in here. I understand they have a huge warehouse at an undisclosed location somewhere in the world where they keep all their merchandise, or their memorabilia, I should say, and they rotate it every once in a while. What's disappointing is, since this place has been here, not much has changed as far as the memorabilia is concerned. Pretty much the same stuff that was here the day it opened. So let's step off the boardwalk, step inside, and see what's going on at the Hard Rock here in Atlantic City. As soon as you walk in off the boardwalk here, to the left you have Council Oak Steaks and Seafood. For upscale dining in an intimate setting, guests can make a reservation at Council Oak Steaks and Seafoods, originally made famous at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Florida. And right next to Council Oaks is Kuro, which is a new-style Japanese restaurant featuring contemporary artisanal dishes using locally sourced and imported ingredients directly from Japan. And as you can see, to the left is the lounge area of Kuro, and if you walk a little bit further on the left here, you'll see the restaurant area. And coming up next here on the left is Il Molino. Rustic Italian flavors will be served at Il Molino, spotlighting old-world Italian food made with quality fish, lamb, and cured meats, along with fresh homemade cheeses and pasta. I've only been in here for a few moments and I'm already getting hungry. Too bad none of these places are open, but I'm sure the more casual places are open at this time of day. Like Yu Noodle Bar, which focuses on freshly made noodles and savory broths inspired by Asian street food. The casual places are open and they're busy. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. We're going to head over to the lobby and the reception area now, and on the right hand side here you can see the lobby bar where you can sip and mingle in the heart of the Hard Rock Hotel. The lobby bar is the resort's social centerpiece, the perfect place to meet up and chill out with friends. With views of the hotel arrival, lobby, and casino, the lobby bar features an effortlessly cool vibe that sets the scene to indulge in crafted classic and contemporary cocktails. The lobby bar also hosts musical guests throughout the week. And as you can see here, there's memorabilia throughout this entire building, upstairs, downstairs, in the casino, in the restaurants, and even in the lobby area, as you can see here. And if it's shopping you want to do here at the Hard Rock, there's plenty of it, not only upstairs but downstairs as well. You have the Rock Shop, you have Rocktain, Frowlinger's, which is famous for their fudge here in Atlantic City, 24K, which is an upscale clothing store. There's Bernie Robbins Jewelers, the Hard Rock store, Intro Steam, a whole bunch of stores here that you can check out. And if you're looking for a really unique shopping experience, I suggest if you have the time to go next door to the Ocean Resorts and Spa. It's just a hotel over in a little bit to the north, and it's got some great shops there, unique stuff that you don't find in other hotels and casinos here along the boardwalk. This is the Wentworth Gallery, a lot of rock and roll art here, and there's also a place in the Mirage in Las Vegas that's similar to this one, some really good items. It's a great place to just hang out for half an hour. They usually don't allow video cameras inside though. And as you can see, there are tons of slot machines here at the Hard Rock in Atlantic City. Now, if you're a sugar freak, the most Instagrammed restaurant in the United States has made its Hard Rock debut in Atlantic City with its floor-to-ceiling candy wall, making this hyper-sweet eatery the perfect place for families to celebrate any occasion. Of course, I'm talking about Sugar Factory. Completing the confectionery, the restaurant also serves specialty beverages, homemade donuts, and pastries, in addition to signature items such as savory crepes, salads, monster burgers, and specialty pizzas. And of course, it wouldn't be a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino without a Hard Rock Cafe. The ironic thing is the Hard Rock Cafe has been here for a couple of decades, I think. It was actually here when it was the Trump Taj Mahal, so that's, like I said, kind of ironic. A 400-seater serving up nothing but the hits, the Atlantic City Hard Rock Cafe brings guests all the most famous fare they're known for, plus some unique dishes exclusive to the boardwalk location. And the nice thing about this Hard Rock is it's got seating indoors and outdoors along the boardwalk as well. So that's pretty much the first level, but there's a whole nother second level here, which is just about the same size, so let's check that out. Hold on tight. I love this whole area with the stairs and the escalators and the video screens that are always playing concerts and that huge LED guitar hanging from the ceiling. By the way, did you notice the tiles on the floor downstairs are all guitar picks? Did you notice that? If not, just rewind it a bit. So upstairs here we have a lot more restaurants, we have a food court, a lot more shops, we have the ballroom, we have the buffet area, lots to see up here. And of course, memorabilia. Memorabilia is everywhere. This is the Rock Vault, all rock and roll memorabilia from New Jersey artists. By the way, I have a video on the New York channel that does an extensive view and a tour of all the memorabilia in this building. It's quite extensive and quite long, but if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below in the description. By the way, when we came up those escalators where we held on tight, if we made a left as soon as we got on the second level, we're going to come across all these little restaurants. They're not casual restaurants, but more of a fast food court, but not your average fast food court. You're not going to find a Subway or a McDonald's or Popeyes here. These are all kind of unique to this hotel, and they're really nice. And I'm going to walk along here and see what they got. Alrighty, let's check out some of the shops up here as well as the lounges. By the way, if you live under a rock or don't follow the community page here on the New York channel, you wouldn't know that the Virgin just recently opened in Las Vegas, right where the Hard Rock used to be. Rumor has it that the Hard Rock is seriously looking for a property directly on the Las Vegas Strip. From what I understand, they didn't want to leave Las Vegas, they just wanted to leave the location they were in. Only time will tell, and I'll keep you guys posted. Some guy recently fell to his death here at this very location all the way down to the bottom floor. It was an accident and a very unfortunate situation. But I'm not one to leave you guys bummed out, so here we go.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
And I hope I didn't bum you guys out by that guy falling to his death accidentally, but I can't express how important it is to hold on tight. It's a true story, kinda recent, and very unfortunate, obviously. Now this is Fresh Harvest, the all-you-can-eat buffet here at the Hard Rock Cafe, and it's one of the buffets that's actually open, although not too many people seem to know that. Fresh Harvest all-you-can-eat safely delivers all the home-cooked comforts of a buffet straight to your table. Embark on a culinary tour of the world where every meal is a show-stopping chef performance. Now, if you're facing the Harvest Buffet and you turn around, just do a 180, I guess it is, you'll see all the ballrooms. It's a long hallway and you'll see all the ballrooms going down. Most people skip this area, but don't do it here at the Hard Rock because there's tons of memorabilia down this hallway, even though it's not traveled that often. Alright, so we headed down that hallway, we headed down those escalators. Did you hold on tight? I know you did. So, what'd you think of the Hard Rock? I really like this place. Not as much as the Ocean Resort right next door, but considering they're right next to each other, it's a great combination. Leave your comments below on your thoughts. You have no idea how much I have spring fever, and I'm sure most of you do as well. I can't wait for it to warm up until this boardwalk gets hopping again and we can check out all these Atlantic City attractions this coming summer, hopefully COVID-free. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.